Welcome everyone to Solid Edge University online event. My name is Tiam Go from Siemens. I'm responsible for Solid Edge and VMAP product strategy and business development. So today, during my session, I would like to talk to you about how Solid Edge and now Siemens products is engineered to grow your business, especially in the tough, challenging times we have today with the pandemic. Let me share a couple of slides with you during my session today. I would like to start by talking about Solid Edge. Now, my colleagues during today's session will share more with you our latest version, Solid Edge 2022. But over here, I just would like to explain our strategy of developing our products with Solid Edge. As you can see here, we have included in this version over 500 customers' requests. This shows that as we build our products, we take the voice of our customers very seriously. We want to build a product for the engineers by engineers. And that's the reason why you see with this version, there are many new, exciting, and powerful capabilities, which I would let my colleagues go into more details during the session. Now, apart from Solid Edge, I think what is in everyone's mind during this time of pandemic where travels are limited, our ability to meet our customers, our suppliers, our partners are limited. And everyone is looking for a different approach for us to be able to conduct our business. And one of the key things that with Siemens we did, along with launching out this product, we have also launched a new cloud platform strategy to allow our customers, the users, to be able to collaborate. So imagine for a moment that there's this nice coffee machine here that you've designed, and that you want to share it with your customers, and you got to do it over the cloud. What we have provided here is a platform called Accelerator Share. So you would be able to log in with your user ID created and be able to start creating projects with whom you would like to share the projects with. Now, this is similar to different, online meeting tools that you may be using like Microsoft Teams or Zoom. In this perspective, we then allow you to create different projects, as you can see over here, with your different groups, suppliers, customers, so on and so forth. The key difference here is you now have the ability with Accelerator Share to be able to share the 3D models that you've created in Solid Edge with your external parties like your customers and suppliers. So as you can see, it's not just to view the 3D model that you have created, and obviously you'll be able to rotate it around. This is a screenshot that I'm showing. And also you'll be able to, most importantly, be able to do markup with whomever you're having this collaboration discussion with as to what kind of modification you need to make to the products that you've designed. Or you would like to show them how the product looks like in an exploded view, with all the different components and parts in it, as I'm showing here. Or to show your customers how this, in an augmented reality environment, it's going to look like in a real world, right? So these are the many different things that you could do with Accelerator Share. As I said, with the pandemic that we're all experiencing, we're having to look towards a cloud platform to enable us to conduct our business and be able to do the collaborations that I've shown some examples with. Right? Now, I've talked about Solid Edge, and that's also Accelerator Share. Now, what I'd like to do is also share with you this little story behind the coffee machine as to why we have this as one of our key image for our Solid Edge 2022. Now, some people have joked with me and asked, did we change our business to go into coffee machine business? I would definitely like to, share that that's not what we're doing. We're obviously enabling people like, in this case, Farmia, which is a Portugal, company that designs coffee machine. As you can see, this is a 3D model of the coffee machine that was designed by Farmia. But the important thing I would like to share with you on my session is also on another coffee equipment company called Thermoplan in the Switzerland. The important point about this company is it relates to many of us, because I'm sure we all visit Starbucks and get a cup of our favorite coffee from there, from the Starbucks shop. Uh, and if you look at Thermoplan, they were commissioned by Starbucks to actually develop a exclusive machine for them to be used in all the Starbucks shop. And so it may not occur to you that if you visit the Starbucks shop the next time, take notice that there's this coffee machine over here which has a little bit of a rose gold, and it's named Mastrina. That's the machine that was basically developed using Solid Edge by Thermoplan. So I hope that the next time that you visit the Starbucks, you could think that how did they actually develop this machine and with Solid Edge. Now another point I would like to share with you is the complexity that goes behind these coffee machines that we look at on the exterior, the mechanical components. Everybody can imagine it. But I like to share with you what it looks like inside. As you can see here, I have two images here that shows the the wire harnesses as well as the piping that goes into these machines. And Thermoplan, leverages Solid Edge to kind of integrate both the electrical and the mechanical aspects of this coffee machine. And obviously, these are the stuff that we can help you with, as you try to build your product. There are many digital solutions that we have that will be able to help you, to get your products out to market quicker, for your customers. So before I close out my session, I would like to say, as I've shared a little bit about the story behind the coffee machines, I would also like to say that during our lucky draw, please stay throughout our session, that we will actually be giving out coffee vouchers as well. So with that, I would like to wish everyone, a great session during our Solid Edge University, and hope that we'll be able to meet in person at some point. Thank you very much. Bye, everyone.